Hello all, welcome to Study IT Express session number 12, and in this session we will be learning about the comparison operator. So in the last session we learned about the where operator, right? And in this we will learn about the comparison operator. So what does comparison operator means, right? So comparison operators are basically used for comparing two values of the same data type, right? Comparing two values of the same data type. Very simple, right? As simple as pi, right? Like for example, one number is compared to another number, or one string is compared to another string, right? And the result of the comparison should be result of comparison is either 0 or 1. 0 means not equal, not comparable, something, right? And 1 means comparable. As simple as that, right? Okay, so this is 0 1, right? Now we will see operators, different kind of operators, meaning of it. Okay, so operator and then meaning of it, and explanation. Okay, number one is equal to, which is what? Equal to. Very simple. Compares two values, like example A equal to B. Very simple, isn't it? Now second one is greater than. Okay, greater than, right? Compares the value of left hand side column. Right? Column is greater than right hand side. Simple, right? Then same thing is with the less, right? Less than, right? Very simple, right? It is, I don't have to explain this one, right? You understand, right? Compare the value of the left hand side column is less than, here it will be less than the right hand side. Very simple, isn't it? In the same way, right, it is there's a greater than and equal to, which is, what does it mean? Greater than or equal to. Simple, right? Compares the same thing, compares the value of the left hand side column is greater than or equal to right hand side, isn't it? And then we will do another one, right? And here it is less than or equal to. Very simple, right? Again the same thing, less than or equal to. Then or equal to, right? And then let me do it properly. Between and, right? What does it mean? This one also we will learn. Between and between two values. Between two values. Then there's an in operator, matches the list of values. Remember I told you that in my previous session that equal to, right? If it is only for only one of the variable. If we want to have for more variable, then we have to use the in operator, right? So this one we will study in detail. Matches the list of values. Okay, and then like operator means matches the character pattern. Matches the character. Let me put this way here. Matches the character pattern. Okay, and the last one is null. Is a null value. Simple. Okay, so these are the different type of the comparison operator what we will be studying now. Okay, now let's see one by one. Let's see the first one, which is greater than, right? The first one was greater than, which is greater than means A is greater than B. Okay, always remember on the left side, since we are doing comparison, right? This is left side and this is right side. So left side, always remember this. This is represented. This is represented as the name of column. Which means is that the name of column will be there. Okay, and right side, this can be the value, like integer or string, or can be the name of the column itself. Now when I say name of the column in both the places, like if you see name of the column, okay, it simply means that when they are doing the iteration, the value will come and then it will compare. Just for an example, if I say that there are two tables, table A and table B. Okay, and it is having the, suppose, columns teacher name and salary, and here also this is teacher name and salary. Now it is saying that tell me all the teachers from table A whose salary is greater than or any of the teacher in salary B. Right? Very simple. At that time, what you gonna do? You will do select star from table A where salary is greater than, select salary from table B. Okay, in this way this will happen. Okay, I will explain more detail about this one in my future classes when I am teaching you subqueries and all. But what I am trying to tell over here is that this is the salary, this is the salary, it will compare. Now for example, for the teacher, right, let's take a table A itself, right, table A. Okay, there's a teacher name, there's a salary, and table B, there's a teacher, the salary. Now for example, teacher name is A, B, C, D, salary is 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 8,000. Here teacher is E, F, G, H, and salary is 12,000, 8,000, 80,000. Okay, 13,000 and 86,000, just for an example. I'll just make it where salary is greater than select salary, right? So what will happen is first it will see 5,000. Okay, it will take this one, since this is the variable, right, it will be having this value 5,000. Is it greater than this? No, 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 it will not come up. Now it will come to 10,000. Is it greater than any of them? No, 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 no. 80,000, right? Yeah, it will not come. Now if it is 20,000, look here, this is 20,000, 12,000 will come, yes. 80,000 will come, no. This one will come. So C will be printed. If you see why, because it is saying any one which is select star from table A where salary is greater, so it will say C is the person whose salary is greater than at least one of them. Okay, so I'll tell you this in very detail in my subquery, but what I'm trying to tell you here is in comparison operator, this side should always be any column name. Okay, this can be column name or it can be any value. Like for example here itself, if I say this example here, I'll say select star from table A where salary is greater than 5,000. It's for an example, right? So here it is coming as a number, so all this will come, sorry, not this one, B and C and D will come. Very simple. Okay, now let's see the practical example of this one. Now if you see here, it is saying tell me the salary tell me the teachers who are having salary greater than 50,000. Okay, so what I will do, I'll do select star from teacher where salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, and then we will run it, and there we go. Okay, so this is how it works. Cool. Now in the same way, if I say tell me the people, okay, I'll say tell me the teachers who are having salary greater than or equal to 50,000 or equal to let me say 89,000. Okay, so if you see this one, right, I am taking this one, so anything which is greater than this, so this one will come up. If I would have said only greater than 89,000, then this value Ramesh Kumar would have never come up. But since I am saying it is greater than or equal to 89,000, so this will also come up. Okay, now we will see how it works. Again, I'll just copy paste for saving the time, right? I'll just do this way. Okay, and then I will say where salary is greater than or equal to and equal to, okay, and I'll say 89000. Okay, and then I will run it. Look, there you go, Ramesh Kumar came. Very simple. Okay, in the same way, for an example, there is another one, and it will say tell me the teachers who are having salary less than, let me first run this one so that I can frame my query, less than 89,000. Very simple, no? So what I will do, where salary is less than 89,000. Very simple. All these are less than 89,000. You see now. And if I say it is less than or equal to, now let's take another one. Less than or equal to less than or equal to, how should I say, 89, or I'll say 78095, just for showing you that this value will come, this value should come. Okay, so what I will do, again same story. Okay, where, right, where salary is less than or equal to 78095. Very simple. Okay, less than or equal to 78095. Look here, Abhishek Singh came or not? It came. See why? Because I have kept it here as less than and equal to. Cool, fair enough. Perfect. Okay, now let's go to between operator, or let me show you between operator in the next session, I would say, um, because this will be very lengthy. Yeah, sure, I will tell you about between operator in the next session. Thank you, take care, bye bye.